Okay, arriving in a relaxed position where you can just take a nice big deep breath when you're ready and just allow your eyes to close, relaxing your face, relaxing your jaw, and just centering yourself by placing your attention on your belly as it rises and falls. Just being aware that with each out breath is an invitation just to let go of anything you're holding on to right now. And just become aware of what you can hear around you. What sounds, besides my voice, are arising within your consciousness. What sounds far away, and much closer. And just notice that these sounds are not something you can control. They just come and they just go within your consciousness. And now just notice the thoughts inside your mind. And just notice that they also just come and go. No effort, no creating them. They just appear. And watch what happens to them when you just give them a second look without trying to get rid of them or control them. How do they appear? And where do they go? And just notice what feelings are arising in your consciousness. What sensations are you noticing that appear and disappear? And again, this isn't something that you control, just like thoughts and sounds. Your feelings will appear and disappear, all happening by themselves. And practicing being the observer of what you're experiencing can really help you when it comes to being able to just step back from the alluring sensations or thoughts or sounds, which can be quite distracting. It's not what is appearing within our consciousness that is often the problem. It's our perception and reaction to it which makes it an issue. Now give yourself a wonderful inner smile. Feel grateful for doing the work and come back to your surroundings. And I wonder how you could take this into your day to day. Just noticing where your attention is drifted to. And instead of reacting, could you just observe and then maybe move your attention to where you really would like it to be? What's important to you in that moment? Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.